Most people don't fail at a side hustle or starting an online business because they're lazy. They fail because they never actually start, or they start and quit because the path feels like a gamble. They've seen too many methods that require one of three things. One, time. Post every day, build a personal brand, hope the algorithm cooperates. Two, money, ads, tools, subscriptions, courses, before you've made $1. Three, luck, right trend, right timing, right audience. So they hesitate, they overthink, they bounce to the next idea, chasing the next shiny new thing. And even when they do start, they build something with no demand behind it, then wonder why it never makes money. That's why I teach people digital real estate, or rank and rent, as a side hustle, because it's different. You don't go viral first. You build a simple local website using AI, so you don't need any tech skills, and focus it on what people already search on Google, like spray foam insulation in Flagstaff or tree service in Boulder. Then you rent the calls and website leads it generates to a local business owner who wants more business. You become a long-term partner in their growth, and they're more than happy to pay you every month for these leads. Now, here's the part most people don't realize. The reason some people never make $1 with rank and rent has nothing to do with websites, AI, or SEO. It's one decision they get wrong on day one. They pick a random niche, or a city that's way too competitive, or keywords no one is searching. Then they spend weeks building and end up with an online business that never gets traction. Because the business isn't build a site. The business is building a demand-matched digital asset, something people are already searching for, then routing those leads to a local business that wants more customers. That's digital real estate. It looks like this. Pick a service people need now, high intent. Pick a city you can realistically compete in. Build a focused site for service plus city searches. Rank it locally and track leads, and partner with a business and rent them the lead flow. The business model is simple and it works. Imagine a concrete website generates 40 leads a month and their average net profit is $6,000. And let's say they close 8 of those leads and install 8 concrete driveways in 1 month. That's $48,000 in net profit. Do you think they'd be happy to pay you $500 a month to get those leads? Of course they would be. Most programs overload you with tactics. This is why I made the free digital goldmine starter kit. It gives you the exact planning sequence that prevents wasted months of wondering what to pick, how to validate it, and what to do first. If you want it, comment kit and save this video, because that one niche and city decision determines whether you get leads or waste months posting and guessing.